What is up, guys? Welcome to Skybox Sports Memorabilia, and today we have a box of Panini Prizm 2021. In this box we're going to be looking for 10 exclusive pink ice prisms. There's also going to be 3 silver prisms per box on average, and we're also going to be looking for the autographs. Prizm is one of the most popular products out there right now. Everybody kind of goes towards it. I was lucky and able to get a box at Walmart. Alright, there we go. Alright, so there's going to be 10 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. Here we go, first pack. Alright. Danilo Gallinari, Marquise Chris, Instant Impact, Devin Vassell. And our first pink is going to be Tobias Harris. Set that right there. Set these right here. And it looks like we got a Zeke Naja rookie. Put the rookies right here. Alright, next pack. Alright, so we got, it's like Jackson Hayes, DeAndre Jordan. Looks like we got another Instant Impact, Kyle Lewis Jr. And then our pink is going to be Jeremy Grant. And our rookie is Nick Richards. Not exactly the Hornet that we're looking for LaMelo Ball. Alright, let's get the next pack here. Looks like we got a silver in this pack. Nemaji, I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'm not even going to try. And then we got a Sadiq Bey pink. Nice. Pink eyes. And then our rookie is OG Anobli. Set this here with the rookies. Alright, next pack. Next pack magic. We can make it happen, guys. Brandon Ingram. We got a silver Luka Doncic. There we go. Dominance. Then we got a TJ Warren, pink eyes. And a rookie, not a rookie, Zach LaVine. Alright, next pack. Got Zach Collins, Kyle Lowry, we got Kendrick Nunn, Then we got a Chris Dunn pink ice. And then a Trey Jones rookie. Here we go, next pack. So Prizm's one of my favorite products, just because I really like the cracked ice, and I like the pink Prizm inserts that they give you this year. And then in the blaster boxes, you can also get the orange cracked ice. So we got Trae Young, DJ Augustine, Cassius Winston. We got an RJ Barrett. Pink ice. And we got a Rui Hachimura. Next pack. We got a Blake Griffin, Damian Lillard. He's obviously one of my favorite players since I do like the Portland Trail Blazers. Got a Isaac Okoro rookie card. We got a Elfrid Payton pink ice. And we got another Hornet rookie, Grant Riller. I guess they're trolling us for the LaMelo Ball. Alright, next one. Next pack. Allen Iverson. We got a Precious Achua. Then we got a Donovan Mitchell pink ice. And we got a Lonzo Ball. 2 more packs. Hopefully maybe we can get a LaMelo Ball or Anthony Edwards out of these. Or a Tyrese Haliburton would be good. Jeff Teague. Hassan Whiteside. Ben Simmons, Dominance. And we got a Zion Williamson. There we go. Guys. And then Robert Woodward second. Alright guys, last pack. Last pack magic. Come on. I'm feeling it. Anthony Edwards or LaMelo Ball. Be epic. Alright, we got a couple of veterans here. We got Jeff Teague, Silver, Kongu, rookie, guys. Alright, then we got a Jarrett Culver. Alright guys, well that does it for this break. Kind of to do a recap. We got the Onyeka Okongwu, Jeff Teague, Zion Williamson, Donovan Mitchell, Elfrid Payton, RJ Barrett, Cassius Winston, Chris Dunn, TJ Warren, and we got the Luka Doncic silver. We got the Sadiq Bey. Alright, then a couple other guys here. For the rookies, we got the Woodward second. We got the Precious Achua, Grant Riller, Isaiah Okoro, Trey Jones, and then some Hornets and Zeke. Alright guys, well that does it for this break. Thanks for joining us. Please drop that like and subscribe button, help support the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.